Well, what's in your makeup bag? Chances are you're using products that are past their prime. Beauty expert Shira Ben is going to help us decide what to keep, what to toss, and what to invest in for spring. Good morning, Shira.
Good morning. So yes, I see this time and time again, and of course, I'm guilty. I have so many products that are old, expired, and just taking up room in my
Mm-hmm.
makeup collection, right? My skincare. So let's get into it. First of all, our cream products, our foundations and concealers. We should actually be tossing them. I have my little bin at the 18-month mark because they really start to curdle, dry out, and the color oxidizes. So it's not even going to be the right match for you anymore. My upgrade is the new Kind and Free Rimmel London Moisturizing Skin Foundation. So this is a skin tint that is going to give you the most beautiful glow from within. So ideal for spring. So it's that moisturizing skin tint foundation, medium coverage, 100% vegan formula, and it's infused with antioxidants and a vitamin complex as well. So good for the planet, good for us, and again, really trending for spring because we want that fresh, glowy finish. So go ahead, grab it at your local shoppers. It's going to be perfect for spring.
Okay.
Now, our powder products, I have so many powder products that I really have to spring clean.
Mm-hmm.
These little guys, they need to go at the €2 to €3 mark
Okay.
because they also get really dry and chalky,
Right.
right? So impossible to blend.
Yeah.
Bacteria builds up on the surface of the product. And we don't want to
Oh.
be putting bacteria on our face. Yeah, because over time we're dipping, applying, dipping, applying.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
Physicians Formula has everything we need in terms of the powder products. So let's go ahead and grab the Butter Dream Team face palette, everything we need, bronzers, blushers, highlighters, and then for the eyeshadow, they have their Butter Believe It eyeshadow bronze nudes palette, which will appear on the screen in a moment. But I just love these formulas because they're so luxurious. They're creamy, easy to blend, formulated for even the most sensitive of skins, paraben free, and of course, got that divine fragrance that is so iconic to Physicians Formula. So it makes me feel like I'm on a beach, totally
Yeah.
ready for spring and summer, available at Shoppers Drug Mart. And again, everything we need. So toss out whatever's taking up space. Let's go for it.
How can you
Now, in
keep
terms
track of when it's opened?
Great point. So it's hard to tell, right? Most of the expiry dates are hard to find on these packages. I actually keep a Sharpie
Okay.
close by and I've started marking the date of when I've bought everything. It's really
Perfect.
the only way to do it. So that's a good little tip. And when it comes to skincare, 18 months, toss it
Mm-hmm.
because skincare has active ingredients in it.
Right.
And once those active ingredients start to dwindle, the skincare is actually not serving us any purpose at all. Can also start to smell really funky. So do the little smell test. If it smells bad, throw it away. So our upgrade from Philosophy, they've actually relaunched their iconic Hope in a Jar moisturizer. So we've got this Smooth Glow multitasking moisturizer, truly a multitasker. It's going to tackle hydration, fine lines and wrinkles, boost the radiance, and then they've also launched a serum. So we've got their biome balancing glow serum to nourish the skin, add extra protection, and the eye revival serum in cream. So everything we need to upgrade our skincare for the spring, and this line is available at Shoppers. So go check it out. It's amazing. Now our
What about
lipsticks.
lipstick and mascara, just quickly
Yeah,
here?
yeah. So €2 for lipsticks. They can get dry and moldy. So from NYX Cosmetics, we have their Shine Loud High Shine lip colors, and these were viral all over TikTok. 16 hours of pigment, but
Mm-hmm.
as you can see, it's got a double-ended wand. So
Right.
the other side of the wand has a gloss. So you're going to get the pigment plus very juicy, hydrated looking lips, which is all the rage for spring, available in a wide variety of shades. And then, of course, our mascara. I don't know if you know this, but we should be replacing our mascara every 3 months because
Wow.
mascaras are talc based. So once they start to dry out, they're going to look flaky, cakey. So toss it out. Another great one from NYX. We have their On the Rise Volume Lift mascara, outstanding because it's a matte black pigment. So it's going to pack a super amount of pigment and volume, intense drama to the lashes. I love drama when it comes to our lashes.
Yeah.
Very unique looking brush as well. It's got this nice hourglass shape, so coats every lash perfectly.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Shira Ben. That was so informative and educational. I know I learned a lot, so thanks so much for joining us this morning.
So let's do our spring cleaning. I'm interested to hear what we're tossing.
All right, take care.
Okay, bye.